Good morning, children of class 5. Today in maths we are going to read about chapter 16, speed, distance and time. So through this video we will learn how to calculate speed. So first of all we should know what is a speed. So what is a speed? Speed is the distance traveled by an object in a certain time. So the time what an object takes to travel at a certain distance, that is called its speed. So let us see. For example, a car can move about 90 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of the car? We can calculate the speed of the car over here. So speed of the car is 90 kilometer per hour. So distance traveled by the car is 90 kilometer, and in 1 hour it has traveled 90 kilometer, and that becomes the speed of the car. Then now see, we express speed in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So the unit to express speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. We can express speed in this unit. Now the distance is measured in centimeters, meters or kilometers. So what is the distance? The distance, it is measured. Unit for distance is centimeter, meter or kilometer. Now then time is measured in seconds, minutes or hours. So the measurement unit for time, it is second, minute or hour. Now time is equal to 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, or these are the, or 1 hour. So these are the unit of time. We can measure time in second, minute or hour. Then speed in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Distance in centimeters, meters or kilometers. Then we are going to read about how to formulas for calculating distance. So formula for calculating distance is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. So when we have to find the distance, we can write distance is equal to speed into time. We know speed, we know time, we can calculate. Then if we know time, distance and speed, and we don't know time, then we can calculate time is equal to distance by speed. Then speed is equal to distance by time. So we know distance, we know time, we can calculate speed. So let us calculate speed. So what we have read now, that speed is equal to distance covered by the time taken. Then now let us calculate speed with some example. A wheelchair racer completes a 100-meter course in 20 seconds. So what is his speed? So it's asking what is the speed of the wheelchair that completes a 100-meter course in 20 seconds. So what do you know here? We know the distance is equal to 100 meter. We know time is equal to 20 seconds. What we have to find out? We have to find out speed. So what we will do? We will write the formula. Okay? Speed is equal to distance by time. Then substitute into the formula. That means put the value of distance 100 meter, then value of time 20 seconds, then calculate and simplify. So when we calculate, divide 100 by 20, we will get 5 meter per second. Now check that your units agree. So this is meter per second. Upside also you see meter per second. You also have to write meter per second. So unit of speed is meter per second here. So answer S is equal to meter per second. Then next question. A car travels 240 kilometers in 3 hours. What is the speed of the car during that time? So we have done now. So speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is how much? 240 kilometer. Time is 3 hours. So divide 240 by 3. We will get 80 km per hour. Then see the next one. A horse runs a distance of 1200 meter in 40 seconds with constant speed. Calculate the speed of the horse. So here we have to find out the speed of the horse. So speed, we know that is equal to distance by time. Okay, so put the value of distance is 1200 time 40 seconds. Then cut. Okay, divide 1200 by 40. You will find that 1200 divided by 40 will be 30 meter per second. We will find out the value of speed is equal to meter per second. So in this question you have seen that is meter per second. In the previous question, okay, what we have seen that it was kilometer per hour, because here distance was in kilometer, time was in hour. In the previous one more question we have done, there also we have seen meter per second. See, distance meter, time second. So don't be confused about the units. You have to put the units properly. If it is asking you in meter per second, calculate in meter per second. If the value is given in kilometer and the time distance given in kilometer and a time in hour, then calculate like that, kilometer per hour. Okay, and in meter per second, then meter per second, and then we will solve it. Now one more question, let us see. This is also the kilometer given. Okay, distance, if you have to find out the speed, if distance is given 51 kilometer, time is given in hours, 3 hours, then speed, what we will do, speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is 51, time is 3. Divide that 51 by 3 how many times? You will get 17 times. So the answer will be 17 kilometer per hour. So just you have to write the formula and input the values into it. You will get the answer. Okay, and units you have to remember and then do it. So thank you children. Have a good day. Bye all of you.